We represent that 213, where elders holler from the streets, what up, nephew? And young queens become doctors, assuring us the marathon will continue. Where you can't give up on your dreams, cause that face on the big screen could be you. Down Slauson, we stay flossing, so awesome, my city been ballin'.
So at least die with dignity. Not like some dirty, sweating heap of flesh. I'd rather drown. Washed clean like one of those crazy Bible lovers dunked beneath the water of some river out in the country.
I got to gain that trust, from an OG, which is what you want, growing up in the hood as a kid. This project itself made me like so much stronger and so much knowledgeable. Working with a brand like Puma in this capacity